Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Patriot North. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It looks great. You do have the Jeep badging up front there with your halogen headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our General brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle we do have our North badging as well as the Jeep and the 4x4. You can open this guy up right here like this. Lots of room back here. Looks great. You can fold those seats forward if you did need. And you do got your spare tire just under there as well. We do have our key here, so 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle here. Another handle right here. And looks fantastic in here. Very soft seats as well. Very comfortable. You do also have the controls over your lights, your high beams, your turning signals, and all that right there as well. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have and the gear we're in. Now we can switch that around to our trip A and our trip B and the temperature outside. And then you can also, you have your step and reset here, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right over there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have a volume up and down button, and you do have the controls over windshield wipers right there. We do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display here in the center, so we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You got your Bluetooth options here, your radio, media, your volume up and down. You do also have your CD player just back there, looking very cool. You do also have your menu right here, audio, in your files. You also have your USB and aux cord plug-in right there. Down here we do have the power up and down for the climate. You have your circulation, AC and heat, and where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. Then down here we do have a heated seats. We have our traction control, and we also have our hazard lights. Gear shift right here, just like that. We have our parking brake right there, cup holders, and our 4-wheel lock there. You can open this guy up. You do have some storage there and there. And then over here we do have the top layer for our glove box and the bottom layer with our owner's manual inside of it. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting. Control over your handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic back here, very comfortable seats as well. You can fold them forward by just pulling that guy. Then you got even more room and access to the back, as well as some cup holders there. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Patriot North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.